Sir, the audio is muted, sir.
Tell me now. Tell me one plan. How will you reach 650? Tell me. Increase? Last week what happened? How many marks you got this week? Yesterday test. 4? 420. Why like that? Huh? Why? Why I am asking? You, Harshit? Your score? 450. Will you get merit quota admission in Tamil Nadu? What is your average, total average? 5? No time, student. Seriously, I am telling. It's very, you are in dangerous zone. You are not understanding the problem. I heard the news, whether it is true or not. Some news, some slide it is sharing in group. June 2nd week, NEET exam will be held. That is official or not, I don't know. I don't have the time to check it, but I watched it. Tell me, what will you do? Bharati, you? 478. 471. Why like that? You Jivika? 496. Paper is tough, this time? Tough, Which subject is very tough? Chemistry. Physics is that is 180 by 180 paper. Even I did not look it. I'm not getting interest to watch it. Direct formula based questions only came. You, Priya, 480. You, Ajika, 470. I told first day only, irrespective of the paper toughness, easiness, minimum criteria, you have to reach cutoff, I said. Really, you people are not serious. Remove the mask. You? How many hours you studied yesterday? Five. 5 to 6. 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Then you will become merit quota doctor. Stalin will come give take. When will you realize? I don't know. My time waste. Talking is waste. Sit. Talking to you, talking with a deaf person, I am feeling same. I said how much tough paper is giving. Minimum you have to reach cutoff, I said. If paper is easy means 650 target you have to maintain, I said. Okay, anyway, paper discussion now. Tell me directly which questions you have doubt. Any objections are there in physics questions? Immediately after completion of question paper, any suspicious questions are there? Any, what do you feel? Immediately you have to post to teachers. They will raise the objections. Okay. First question itself. Students, once again I am telling who joined newly, like 5 hours, and madam, I forgot your name. If you come regularly, I will remember your name, Nivasni. And for you, if you want total what you lagged lessons, it is highly impossible to teach once again for you. Because we are evening time fully busy. Saturday, Sunday also we have non-stop classes. That's what you have to collect the recorded lectures. If we teach what you missed lessons, they will be missing. Understood? That's what you people have to collect the recorded lectures. And every Sunday you have to watch. That is the next thing. And before exam, before 45 days, crash course you will start. All concepts will be explaining on that time. Till that time you have to wait. Clear? Okay. For you separately, no concepts will be explained. Why? Because 120 chapters, it is highly impossible. Okay. Impossible tasks we will not tell. We will explain like that. We will not convince. So these two plans, crash course for you people, total concepts will be explained. Clear? Okay. And any doubts are there, you can stay with us after 5 o'clock and we will assist you. Okay. Okay, students, this is the next question. Sorry, first question only. The distance between H plus and Cl minus ion in HCl molecule is how much separation is? That is the dipole only, na? What is the length of the dipole? 2L equal to how much? 1.28 into 10 power minus 10 meter. And then what will be the potential due to this dipole at a distance? How much distance? 12 angstrom. Angstrom means what? 10 power minus 10 meter on the axis of the dipole. Tell me, it's a direct formula based question only. What is the potential due to dipole? Kp cosine of theta by r square. This is the dipole from negative charge to positive charge. There is one point P is there. Distance is r from midpoint and angle theta. Is asking point is on axial line only, na? So theta value how much? Compulsory 0. So K value how much here? 9 into 10 power 9. And P value how much? Q into 2L into cosine of 0 by R value how much? 12 into 10 power minus 10 and whole power 2. So 9 into 10 power 9 and Q value how much? What is charge on each charge? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Length of the dipole is given how much? 1.28 into 10 power minus 10 and into cosine 0 value plus 1 and 12 whole square and into 10 power minus 20. This 10 power minus 20, if you take that side, will become plus 20. And here this will be minus 10. This will be plus 9. Then this 20 minus 19 means plus 10. Then 10 plus 10, 10 minus 10 cancels. So this is 10 power 9. This total it will be how much? 10 power 9. So 9 into 1.6 into 1.28 into 10 power 9 divided by 12 whole square how much? 144 na? 144. So if you simplify this, this is 9 into 2, I can write 80 na? Or else 9 into 16 by 10 and into 128 by 100 into 10 power 9, 10 power 9 by 3 zeros mean 9 minus 6, 9 minus 3 means what? 10 power 6. What 10 power?
Minus 19 plus 10 power 9, sir.
So once again I will do it. 9 into 10 power 9. Q value how much? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 into 12 value how much? 1.28 into 10 power minus 10 and whole divided by how much? 12 whole square into 10 power minus 20. This will be coming upside na? This will be this side na? Then this will be 9 na? Then 20 minus 19 means how much? 1 plus 1.
1 plus 9, 10, 10 minus
Very good,
9,
very good, very good, very good, fantastic. 10 power 0. 10 power 0 means what? 1. Very good, thank you. 9 into 1.6 into how much? 1.28 divided by 144. So 9 into 16 into 128 into how much this is? Divided by 1000 now means 10 power minus 3 divided by 144. Correct? Then 2 8s are 2 7s are 2 2s are and 8 1s are 8 9s are 9 9s are cancelled. So 0.128 something means
0.1. Option.
yeah, option 1 0.13 volt is your correct answer. Key correct? Huh? Next. Any question directly tell me. No need of following order. Huh? Sixth. So the question is saying two electric dipoles of moment how much? P and 64P placed in opposite directions on a line at a distance of 25 centimeter. Electric field will be 0 at a point between the dipoles whose distance from the dipole of moment is how much is asking. So they are placed in the opposite direction. So this is one dipole of moment P. This is another dipole of moment how much? 64 into P. They are placed at what separation? They are placed at some separation 0.25 meter. 25 centimeter means what? 25 by 100 meter. Anyway, answer is in centimeter, na? You are only correct. We don't need to convert into meter. Unnecessarily time will be wasted. So 25 centimeter only I will continue. And somewhere one point P is there. The line which is connecting two dipoles at point P, net electric field how much? It will become 0. Means this point whose distance from the dipole P, I will assume some x meter. The net electric field how much? 0. So at point P, I can write this is first dipole and second dipole. For suppose because of the first dipole, electric field is left side is nullified by electric field due to second dipole. Both are equal in magnitude and compulsory opposite in directions. So I can write here magnitude of E1 must be equal to magnitude of E2. What is the magnitude of the electric field due to first dipole? I forgot the formula. Tell me. K into very good 2K P by X cube equal to electric field due to dipole at any axle line. That is only formula. And then electric field due to second one, same 2K into 64 into P divided by
25 minus X.
very good 25 minus X the whole power 2.
Cube, sir.
Sorry, thank you. 2K PP cancels out. So 1 by X cube equal to how much? 64 whole divided by 25 minus X power 3. This term I am bringing this side. So 25 minus X by X whole power 3 equal to 64. Power 3 if you send this side, power 1 by 3. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So I can write 4 power 3 whole power 1 by 3, 3 cancels out. So it will be 4. So X I am bringing this side. So what we can write 25 minus X equal to 4X. Send this term this side. 5X. 25 X value how much? 5 is your answer. Option 1 is the perfect answer for the question. Someone said boys 7th, 17. So this is the next question. Between the plates of parallel plate condenser, there is 1 millimeter thick paper of dielectric constant 4. But the thickness is given 1 millimeter, means 10 power minus 3 meter. Dielectric constant how much here? 4. It is charged at how much? Potential drop equal to how much? 100 volt. And electric field equal to how much? Put question mark in volt per meter between the plates of the capacitor. It is charged to 100 volt and electric field between the plates of the capacitor. What electric field formula? Potential drop divided by separation between them. Huh? Or else electric field equal to between the two plates how much? Sigma by epsilon naught. But here epsilon no, because thick paper is there. The sigma by epsilon value how much? K into epsilon naught, means sigma by K value how much? 4 into epsilon naught. Sigma value how much? Sigma, if you find, it is over. Charge density we have to find. What more? B by D. Potential drop by D. What is the separation? Are you getting 1100 by D value 1? Correct answer 10 power 5. Option 2 correct. Very good, then no issue. He did not give he did not explain properly. Mean you have to understand the separation between the two plates and equal to thickness. That's what in the beginning only I wrote delta V by D. I tried in another method. She said delta V by D, so she got answer, means if I do in this method also, I will get the same answer. Okay. I will try then. E equal to how much? Sigma by 4 epsilon naught. Sigma, if you find, it is over. Sigma value, how you can find? Q by A epsilon naught. Na? Capacitance formula, how much? Q, if you want to find, C into delta V only. Na? Capacitance, how much? A into K epsilon naught by D. Again same will get. KK also cancels. K4 cancels, na? This is 4 epsilon now. 4A will be there, 4 cancel. Okay, anyway, option 2 only. In any method, you will get the same thing only. Next. Next. Twenty-six. Question number 26. Question number 26. In a spherical condenser of radius of outer sphere is capital R, and the different in the radius of outer and inner sphere is small x, then capacitance is proportional to how much is asking. I'll assume this is the inner shell, this is the outer shell. Inner shell I will write radius is A, I will assume. Outer shell radius how much? Capital R. What are difference? R minus A is given, X is given, then capacitance is proportional to dash. What is the spherical capacitance formula? Very good. 4 5 epsilon naught into AB divided by B minus A. 4 5 epsilon naught into A value how much? X plus R only, na? B value how much? Capital R divided by B value how much? Capital R minus A value how much?
Sir, R minus X.
R minus X, na? Yes.
A is R.
A is equal to, sorry, R minus X. Here, A equal to R minus X. You simplify this, 4 5 epsilon naught into R minus X by capital R equal to how much? R minus R plus X. R cancels out. So he's asking proportion relation, no? R minus X by X is the answer. Into R also there, na? So option 3, I think. Option 3 is a perfect answer. Key correct, huh? Right. Next. 34. Physics, how many crossed 150 above? 150 above physics. Okay. How many 100 crossed in physics? Physics, how many people 100 crossed? Vajika, Tariq, Arshit, Shailesh, Jivika. Next. Okay. What is the area of the plates of a 3 farad parallel plate capacitor? What a capacitance is given? 3 farad. If the separation between the plates is how much? D is equal to 5 millimeter, means 5 into 10 power minus 3 meter. You have to find the area. What is the formula? A into epsilon naught by D is equal to how much? 3. A is equal to how much? 3D by epsilon naught. 3 into D value how much? 5 into 10 power minus 3 divided by epsilon naught value how much?
8.8 into 10 power minus 12.
9 into 10 power minus 12, na? 3 ones are 3, 3s are. So 5 by 3 into 10 power 12 minus 3 means what? 9. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 6 are 1.6 into 10 raised to 9 is the answer for the question, option 1. If you take if you take 9 instead of 8.85, tsunami will not come.
Sir, no, sir. If we put 8.7, we'll take 1.70.
No, you will take the nearest approximate answer. Yes. You can do 8.85 also, but for you, lot of calculation time will be wasted. Here, doing is not important. Doing with the time saving is important. Understood? Next. Next. 21. 29. I'm not perfect like you. Then no issue. 29 or 28, my forgot. 29. This question only, na? Again?
Yes, sir.
You asked 29. Na?
It didn't copy.
I copied.
System didn't copy.
Okay, question number 29. The plates of a parallel plate capacitor, how much is given? C is given 50. Charge is given. What is charge on the parallel plate capacitor? 50 microcoulomb are charged to a potential how much? V is equal to 100 volt, and then separated from each other so that the distance between them is doubled. Then how much energy is spent in doing so? Okay, so he did not mention cell is disconnected. Means cell is keeping in connected only, na? Just the separation is doubled. If separation is doubled, what is the new capacity?
Twice.
You know, capacitance equal to how much? Distance is doubled means capacitance become half only, na? So 25 microcoulombs. Understood? So what a work done formula here? Final. Sorry. Capacitance. Na? Then what are capacitance of this? Initial capacitance how much? C is equal to Q by V only, na? Q value how much? 50 by 100 means 0.5 microfarad. Then what a new capacitance after separation is getting doubled? 0.25 microfarad. But still I did not hear any statement that battery was disconnected. Means still potential drop remains same only, na? Then for that what a work done equal to? Work done equal to change in potential energy I can write, na? According to work energy theorem concept. Okay. What is the potential energy means? Final potential energy stored in the capacitor by initial energy stored. What a final energy stored? Half into C2 into V square minus half C1 into V square. So V square by 2 I can take common and C2 minus C1 I can do. V value how much? 100 whole power 2 divided by 2 into C2 value how much? Big one minus small one I will do, no issue. 0.5 into how much? 10 power minus 6 minus 0.25 into 10 power minus 6. 100 whole square means what? 10 power 4 by 2 into 0.25 into how much? 10 power minus 6. You simplify, what do you get? No need of wasting time. I think 12.5 are this one. Minus only, na? Work done definitely either this one or this one only. 2 or 4. Either 2 or 4. So we have to select once again how much energy is spent in doing so. Yes, minus only will come. Very good.
Work is decrement in potential.
Work done by electric field is decrement. Work done by asna is increment in potential energy. Student, many times I told work done by electric force equal.
Decrement in potential. Yeah.
Very good. Work done by electric field. Work done by electric force equal to decrement in potential energy. But he is asking work done by us. Energy spent mean who is spending? Who is separating that plates? You only. So work done by external agent equal to how much? Increment in potential energy. So here only is C2 minus C1. So I have to put 0.25 minus 0.5. So here minus only will get minus 12.5 into first option. Are you sure? First option it is given. We also did the same method, no?
Sir, they took that initial allowance, half C1 V1, sir. They didn't find that the C2 minus C1. They didn't do so.
Actually, as per that question setter, he told potential drop doubled 2E, but he did not mention when potential drop will be doubled if a battery is disconnected only. Are you understanding? Here he put 2V na. Why he put 2V?
Distance between them is doubled, sir.
Then I am asking you why he put 2V. Are you seeing the solution?
We didn't see that, sir. We saw only the first page.
Which page?
The answer, solution.
In the question he did not mention, I am telling.
Yes,
Potential drop and separated from each other so that distance between them is doubled. Should mention compulsory, it is disconnected. He did not mention. Na?
Question answer.
Question is correct, only data is inadequate.
Both are same. Data is dedicated.
Dedicated. Okay, it's a waste of time. Huh? I will. Actually, I told na it should be mentioned disconnected. Disconnected, then only potential will be doubled. Okay. Next one, it is a eligible for bonus mark only. The objection should be made. Okay. Next question. Now time over before 2
Sir,
to
if you use your influence rate, then good, sir.
I'm not that much great.
Sir, on that data, they good, sir.
Well, yesterday, head means system you have to follow. This problem yesterday you posted means, sir, I got this much answer. Key is not there, mean I would verify and I would every time I am telling.
We have
Next day before to that objection facility will be closed, I said before 2. Okay. Anyway, I don't know. Someone objected across India, you will get bonus marks. Understood? How long it will take? 2 minutes. It is an objection only. Next one.
two questions are out of.
Next, tell next year after NEET exam finished, not tell by that time.
Sir, but the did correct is that only sir my stomach eligible.
No, in your 10th standard potential is there, no? You are not a beginner. Tell me next. Question mistake is accepted. That is not inside the syllabus is not good. Potential concept separately we don't need to. Electric potential discussion is over, no? In electrostatics only. Then how they will frame? Asking questions only from capacitor without battery. You tell me how to frame that kind of question. How to charge without a battery? Tell me.
If they have asked, we could take only.
Tell next question.
30.
Next question. 36.
I think we can solve it.
Okay, students. Hello. The question is saying two identical charged spherical drops, each of capacitance C, merged to form a single drop. Then find the resultant capacitance how much. So for example, two identical charged spherical drop. Take one, this is the first drop and this is the second drop. Identically charged means, let's say this is plus Q and this is plus Q. Each capacitance C and C. Same capacitor means definitely radius also must and should be same. Then find the resultant capacitance, how much is asking. You know, according to if they coalesce means spherical drops. They formed into single drop, the resultant capacitance we have to find. Shall I write capacitance equal to how much? 4 pi epsilon naught into R, na? Here also capacitance how much? 4 pi epsilon naught into R. Now after coalescing formed into a one very large drop. According to conservation of mass, mass of the first drop plus mass of the second drop equal to how much? Mass of the big drop. So I can write density into volume. What is volume equal to? 4 by 3 pi r cube plus density into how much? 4 by 3 pi r cube into density into 4 by 3 pi New radius. Let's say the radius of the single drop, how much? Capital R whole cube. Rho 4 pi by 3, rho 4 pi by 3, rho 4 pi by 3 cancels out. R cube plus R cube, how much? 2R cube equal to capital R cube. And capital R value, how much here? 2 power 1 by 3 into small r. So what is the resultant capacitance? C equal to 4 pi epsilon naught into small r value, how much?
Capital R by
2 power 1 by 3 into small r. Tell me, any doubt? 2 power 1 by 3 into C. So which is the correct answer? 2 power 1 by 3 into C. 2 power 1 by 3 means what here? Cubic root of 2. Means definitely it is
less than 2C, sir. That is
cubic root of 2, no? Root 2 means 1.41, na?
1.414.
Root 3, cubic root 2 means what, right? Definitely less than 1 only, na? 0.7, 0.7, 0.7 like that it will come. Means less than C only, na? Equal to 2C is wrong. Greater than 2C is wrong. And less than 2C and greater than C is also wrong. So fourth one only the right option.
Key option B, sir.
Option 3, yeah. Check calculator 2 power 1 by 3. How much? Check once.
Only
Check once.
square root will come, sir.
2 power 0.33 you do it.
2 power 5.
33.
Power now good way.
2 power 0.33 check once.
Sir, this is out power, sir. No power, sir. Sir, can I ask Ankit, sir? Oh, scientific. Understand.
You have a scientific calculator. How much you got exactly? Tell me. Huh? 1.25 now. Then 3 only correct answer. Okay, right. Next. Next. Are you seriously asking 41? Who asked 41, right? You are. Electrostatic energy is stored in the bat. Kavi, are you seriously asked or what? Simply is asking, okay, who will. But any key mistake, huh? Capacitance is given how much? 700 Pico means what?
10 power minus 12.
Minus 12 farad, V equal to how much? 50 volt. So what energy stored equal to half CV square. So half into C value how much? 700 into 10 power minus 12 into V value how much? 50 whole square. 2 ones are 2, 350s are. This is how much? 2500. So 350 into 10 power minus 12. This will be plus 2, no? This will be 25. Again, this will be plus 1. So 35 into 25, how much? Option 4, 8.7 is there, no? It is also 8.7. Next, 40.
Sir, if length increases, means resistance also increases.
We can't tell like that. Increases only.
If after this, I'll ask. The question is there, sir, I'll ask.
Okay, so this is the next question, students. A parallel plate capacitor has separation. How much is given? Hey, keep quiet. D equal to how much? 0.01 millimeter means 10 power minus 3 meter. Use dielectric strength is how much? This dielectric strength means not dielectric constant. Watch the units. That is potential drop by distance, na? Means electric field is given indirectly. So the electric field equal to how much? 19 kilovolt by millimeter. Means 19 into kilo means what? 10 power 3 volt by millimeter means what? 10 power minus 3 meter. So 19 into 10 power 6 volt per meter. The maximum potential difference that can be applied to the terminals of the capacitor, how much is asking? E into D only, na? E value how much? 19 into 10 power 6 into D value how much? 0.01 into 10 power minus 3. So 19 into 10 power 6 into 10 power minus 2 minus 3. And this will be minus 5. So this will be 190. Option 1 is the right answer. Okay. When teacher is solving problem, sometimes thoughts suddenly will not come. For you or for me. Or understanding? So for you also sometimes you will struck. But don't feel that that is any inefficiency or anything. Or understanding? Okay. So everyone will fail. Even though sometimes, for example, in my life, one problem 100 times I solved. Sometimes 101 time, some student asking, suddenly thought will not come. Or understanding? Clear or not? Okay. So that is for you are no one is perfect. I am telling. Clear or not? Only you will be trying to nearest perfect. That's all. Okay. Any doubt is there? That is a clear-cut discussion. What is the problem in that? I mean, why we are not getting? We have to discuss in a constructive way. Or understanding? Okay. Next. Yesterday, I watched the question paper 40 and 49 and 50 out of syllabus, but I waited who will Who will post? Sir, these two questions are out of syllabus. I waited.
You can, sir, that is first one, sir. Second one, both are correct. No use if it is out of syllabus also for me, sir. That's why I kept it right.
Okay, anyways, friends, one more time I am telling whether paper is tough or easy. Minimum criteria, everyone should reach cutoff, I am telling. No more explanation. Chemistry is tough. Chemistry is tough means in the exam hall you have to attempt and you have to focus on remaining 3 subjects. Are understanding? Foolishly, if you stick on to the chemistry and wasting lot of time means other 1 or 2 subjects will be affected. Are understanding? Sir told chemistry you have to get 160 means I already told either first of all you have to scan the question paper. After reading 5-6 question you will understand somewhat paper is tough. Then you have to leave. Then choose the subject what you feel easy. Are understanding? Chemistry 10 questions you wasted time for 1 hour means you can't do anything remaining in 2 hours. Why? Because you'll carry tremendous pressure for last 1 hour. Your thinking ability also will decrease. Are understanding? Clear or not? Okay. Anyway, damage happened next week onwards. Please, everyone work very hard. At least you should reach cutoff. Okay. Thank you.